It's a great time to get cooking with Thermador. The company's running a fantastic promotion. Buy your main cooking appliance now and receive a free dishwasher. Add on refrigeration and you get your pick of more free stuff, up to 2 more items at no cost. As for which items are eligible, it's a little confusing to tell. Hi, we're Designer Appliances, New Jersey's premier independent appliance retailer. I'm here to help you get the most for your money. So first up, picking your qualifying Thermador cooking package. Buy a Thermador Ranger cooktop plus a wall oven. You'll qualify to get a Thermador Emerald Series dishwasher for free. Or you can upgrade to their Sapphire Series dishwasher, which we recommend, for just $500 more. Don't need the dishwasher? When buying a compact 30-inch range only, you can forego the dishwasher in lieu of a free over-the-range microwave or ventilation hood, blower not included. Next up, you get even more free product by adding refrigeration to your cooking package. Say you need cooking and refrigeration. Opt for a Thermador built-in refrigerator and you can qualify for another free or reduced cost appliance. Choose between a Thermador ventilation hood, microwave drawer, speed oven, dishwasher, warming drawer, coffee system, or a wide selection of under-counter refrigeration. Add another full-size fridge or wine column and you'll earn yet another free item or discount. You can combine 2 offers and get a free Sapphire dishwasher or a free speed oven. Now that's a lot of choices. Visit one of our showrooms in Montclair or Bedminster, New Jersey, and a member of our sales team can show you which models qualify. They can also help you qualify for other benefits, like 0% financing. We're here to help you start building your dream Thermador kitchen today.